What's up, warriors? Join you again once it's me, Adam. Today we're going to talk about the solid stance step stabilizer from Lippert. So this works on your folding steps. Works pretty decent, good design. Stabilizes them pretty good. I can't tell you how many mobile jobs I went out on in the past, and their steps were actually ripped up where they mount up into the RV because, well, the weight of the torque and torquing your step, torques that top piece, actually makes it start ripping out over time. I've changed several of them, and I found the solution. It's actually this guy right here. We're gonna be giving this away today, so give the video a like, a share. Might win you a step stabilizer. It's a solid stance from Lippert. So you gotta attach it so it has 4 holes on it. You're gonna install it on your step, but once you do get it installed, it stabilizes that really well, and it stops the binding and the torque of the step for you. So I would get out and definitely recommend it. We're gonna do a little short. I'm not gonna install it, but we're gonna open it up here. So it is gonna be open once you get it, but demonstration purposes only. And I'm gonna kind of show you how it works. So let's do the unboxing of this guy and see what it comes with. Box opens up like this. You got your stabilizer right here. So your stabilizer actually comes with the direction book. Nice little direction book there on how the install goes. I'm gonna leave that in there because one of you guys are gonna win this thing. So to hold it up on your RV, it does have these little pins here. See how this one's flopping? It does have these little pins here that just go in there to keep your stabilizer stance up off the ground, so you don't have to worry about it falling during travel. And then once you get to where you're going, it does have the pins that you pull. Little legs drop down, and you actually set your pin back in the hole there, and it'll keep it wherever you set it. And then these legs here actually pull out and are adjustable. So we're going to look at this here on an RV actually, and we're not going to install it because one of you guys are going to get this after we're done. So we're not going to install it, but we are going to set it on the ground there so you can kind of see what it looks like on the RV. So let's get that going here, and I'll show you how that works. So what it's going to do is it actually sets up on your step right like this. And once you get it mounted on your step, it'll just stay there. So it even works with these single steps. Once you get it in there, like I said earlier, you can just drop this pin. It'll go almost where you want it to. You'll put this pin here back in this hole once you get it set where you want it. Of course, you guys get to use 2 hands for this. I'm doing demo purposes. And this will drop all the way down. We're gonna be giving this away today, so give the video a like, a share. Might win you a step stabilizer. Once you do get this guy installed, you're going to want to pre-drill your holes and install it. But like I said, we're not installing it because I'm giving it to one of you guys. But look at that. Nice, strong, solid. RV's not moving.